Hey, it's Rachel Rofe, and in this video, I wanted to show you some examples of how I use SpotNiches and then also some real-life examples of products that I've sold using the tool so that you can see why I love this tool so much and just how powerful it is. First, here's how I use it most of the time. I put in a phrase. Now you can put in any kind of phrase. For this example, I put in accountant mug. You could just put in accountant or accountant shirts, accountant pop sockets, or funny gifts, funny mug, whatever you want. And then every single associated word with that term is going to come up. You'll see how many searches there were for that word last month on Amazon, and then how many results there are on Amazon for it. Also for eBay and Etsy, of course, but for this example, we'll just use Amazon. So what I usually do is I take this button here, I hit CSV, and then I export the results, and then plug them into my spreadsheet. So I have a spreadsheet. This one's for mugs. I'll just paste the results here in the spreadsheet, and then sort again by opportunity ranking so that the highest opportunity products come up first. Like I said, this is for mugs. We use it for pop sockets and posters and beer steins and pillowcases because you can use SpotNiches across all different types of categories. Once we create a design for it, we mark it in dark gray. And the reason why all the top ones aren't dark gray is because we're constantly finding new designs. You could actually see right here, there's 4,587 designs thus far using SpotNiches. Let me walk you through some of the things. I actually ran through my Etsy sold sales and I immediately found one that we found with SpotNiches. So what we did for this one is we saw on SpotNiches there was a search for pizza pun mug. It had 1,300 searches the month before, only 136 results, and it had a 9.56 opportunity ranking. So we made a simple design here, your pizza work. We don't usually do image-based designs, but for this one we did, and we've gotten sales off of this, off of one quick, easy SpotNiches search. Here's another example. We did a search, we found tell me something good coffee mug. It had 100 searches and only 14 results. So what we did was we put it on a mug, we got sales, and then we also took that design and put it on a shirt. And now the shirt makes sales as well, because I was looking for shirt sales to show you examples. And so that's another thing that you can do with your used Gear Bubble shirts if you're using merch. Speaking of merch, they recently put out pop sockets, and so we did a search for pop sockets. I found one that said pop socket clarinet, had 900 results, put it on Amazon, simple design here. And in the last period, I think it's the last couple weeks, we made 11 sales, 164.89 in total revenue, 24.75 royalties to me. You know, these are just a couple examples. I have hundreds of examples at this point. I wouldn't be surprised if it's over 1,000 of examples of sales that we've made using SpotNiches. It's so simple, and you can use it for all these different products. I mean, for pillowcases, you could find lots of great ideas. Here's one, gymnastics pillowcase, 5,500 searches, and it looks like it's a misspelling. So 5,500 searches with the misspelling last month and only 2 results. Giraffe is misspelled here. 13,300 searches mistyped and only 5 results. So can you imagine all the sales that you can make just using this, putting in these misspellings in your titles? It's an awesome tool, and it's not just me that says this. You can see here, this one says, I'd be lost without SpotNiches. Erica says, my best sellers are all because of SpotNiches results. SpotNiches is an excellent guide to whether something will sell or not. I mean, we have lots of people that absolutely love this tool. It is super powerful, and it's a really excellent way at finding what people are actively searching for, what they want to spend money on, and then exactly how you can give it to them. I hope to see you using this tool because I guarantee it's super powerful and you can find some real gems with it. Right now we have an incredible deal on it. I highly recommend you pick it up because this tool can pay for itself over and over again when you're using it. It is awesome. By far my favorite tool that I've ever created because I know how powerful it is for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped open your eyes as to how many sales you can make using this tool.